If you want to send more targeted emails in ActiveCampaign, creating segments is a great way to organize contacts based on their information or behavior. In this video, I'll show you how to create a segment in ActiveCampaign step by step. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. From the left-hand menu, click Contacts, then select Segments. Now click New Segment to start creating one. Give your segment a clear name so you can easily identify it later. You can also add a description if needed. Next, use the Segment Builder to define who should be included in this segment. For example, you can create conditions based on tags, custom fields, contact details, or engagement, such as whether someone opened an email. You can also combine multiple conditions to make your segment more specific. For example, you could target contacts who have a particular tag and have opened one of your recent emails. Once your conditions are set, review the contacts that match your criteria. If your account has active intelligence, you can also use an AI prompt to help generate your segment conditions automatically. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new segment will now be available in your ActiveCampaign account and can be used when sending campaigns or targeting specific contacts. And that's how you create a segment in ActiveCampaign. Using segments can help you send more relevant content to the right audience instead of sending the same email to everyone. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more ActiveCampaign tutorials.